It's time to party! So, yeah, we're gonna have a little get together or something, make some sangria, and have a good time. This is a sangria mix I found, and we're gonna try it out. We're gonna have a little party. All right, let's start it, man.
Whoa. Is that how we did it in the video?
That's how I'm doing it in the video, yes. Ooh, aerated.
What?
Das is, what is this thing?
Who puts caps on them?
There you go.
Rum.
Whoa, look at that. I'm a bartender. I'm a bartender. All right. And
Rump.
Rumpelstiltskins.
You dropped the paper inside the sangria. I told Mom to buy the good one.
It's fine. It's fine. The alcohol make it all better. And fruits. So here, how much we cut up? We cut up like
2
a pint.
boxes.
2 pints of
Strawberries.
and
4 lemons.
4 lemons. Look at that. Allison did that. That looks good. First.
Comment what he's doing wrong.
No, don't comment. So, we want to make double, but you don't know if it's going to fit. So, start with the small quantities first and hard alcohol, and then add the wine. Look at that. And just stir it up slowly.
Wooden
The bottom.
spoon.
Wooden spoon.
Sangria wine, just like I love old friends of mine. They tell the truth when they mix with the wine. That's why I blend in those lemons and limes. And I love that sangria wine. Love to drink it with
It's sweet. And then the Malibu kicks in. It doesn't have a kick. There's no kick. Okay, we forgot one ingredient. Sprite. This is a 2 liters of Sprite. Look at that! So you're supposed to add another one of these too. We're not.
Because people like the liquor.
I know that. You don't even know her.
Oh.
Okay, it's good.